The Maldives has officially banned the entry of Israeli nationals into the country starting Sunday, June 2nd, 2024. The announcement was made by the Minister of Homeland Security and Technology, Ali Ihsan, during a news conference at the President's office on Sunday afternoon. Following a recommendation from the Cabinet, President Dr. Mohammad Mizu resolved to impose a ban on Israeli passports. The decision, which aims to express the Maldives' strong solidarity with Palestinians, includes amending necessary laws to prevent Israeli passport holders from entering the Maldives and establishing a cabinet subcommittee to oversee these efforts. In addition to the travel ban, President Mizu decided to appoint a special envoy to assess Palestinian needs. He also announced the setup of a fundraising campaign in collaboration with the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestinian refugees in the Near East to support Palestinian citizens. Furthermore, a nationwide rally under the slogan Falastina Eku Devehin, which translates to Maldivians in solidarity with Palestine, is planned to demonstrate the country's support. On April 1, 2024, the People's Majlis passed a resolution seeking to ban the import of all Israeli goods and the entry of Israeli nationals into the Maldives. The bill, which aims to defend the rights of Palestinian citizens, was proposed by MP Saud Hussain of the Willingili constituency on October 11, 2023. The resolution calls for the condemnation of Israel's illegal occupation, inhuman attacks, and alleged genocide of innocent Palestinian civilians. It demands an immediate ceasefire, the upholding of Palestinian human rights, the withdrawal of Israeli armed forces from occupied Palestinian lands, and the recognition of Palestine as an independent state. The resolution passed by the parliament aims to convey to the international community that the Maldives stands in solidarity with the Palestinian people. It calls for an end to Israel's military aggression against Palestinians, the cessation of attempts to control Palestinian lands, and condemns what it describes as a genocide of the Palestinian people in the strongest terms. Additionally, the resolution seeks to sever any ties with Israel and ban the import of Israeli goods and Israeli tourists from the Maldives. This series of measures underscores the Maldives' commitment to supporting Palestinian rights and its stance against Israeli actions in the region. The government's actions are part of a broader effort to ensure that the plight of the Palestinian people is addressed and to advocate for their human rights on the international stage.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.